My name's Chris Mueller. I'm one of the sales engineers with HiReli. I'm going to walk you through this section, which goes over our Magnetron transformers line. We'll start off with a quick company overview of Magnetron. On this slide, you can see the various manufacturing facilities that Magnetron has occupied over the years. Magnetron is a Colombian business owned privately and operated by a family that has been in the industry for decades. Um, they actually started out as a Westinghouse transformer manufacturer before Westinghouse went under. And at that point, when Westinghouse went under, the owners actually purchased the operation in Colombia and then began their business as the newly formed Magnetron. So you can see some quick overview details on this slide. Magnetron does a lot of business in the electrical utility sector and in the oil and gas sectors as well. Those are some of their key markets. And more recently, they've been focusing heavily on solar installations throughout the world as those new renewable projects are picking up more steam. And in some of the future slides, you'll see a few pictures of their transformers out in the field, and I'll give you some more details about those projects. On top of that, Magnetron also has about 720 employees now. They might still be expanding, and they're spread out through a couple facilities in Colombia, and I believe they have about 70 engineers on staff. So they have a large team of engineers who are extremely qualified to assist with lots of custom projects. And of course, HiReli can assist with our team of professional engineers as well. And the last detail is their main regions that they serve are in Latin America, the US, and the Middle East. So moving along, here you can see a quick breakdown of the transformers that Magnetron can offer. They manufacture everything from pole-top transformers to pad mount transformers to substation transformers. And also visible here, you have some dry type transformers on the right, and then another standard pole-top transformer. Those dry transformers, which I mentioned, are pretty huge if you're in an environmentally sensitive area and you don't want any issues with oil spilling or any sort of issues with the insulation that you get with a standard oil transformer. And then at the bottom that figure there, the capacity of Magnetron is they can manufacture quite a few transformers per month, so about 208,000 to 300,000 kVA per month. And moving along, so here are a few of the transformer types that Magnetron can manufacture. So on the left there, you have a 1700 kVA pad mounted oil transformer, and that's actually at the Stillwater 2 site in Nevada. It's part of a 25 megawatt solar installation. So it's a pretty huge project on US soil, and it's now powering, thousands of customer meters. So we're absolutely in the Northeast as well. We're interested in working on solar projects. So we can certainly help to get you guys quotes and work on renewable installations with Magnetron and to help customize a solution that fits your individual needs for your projects. And then also pictured on this slide on the right is quite a large substation transformer. And you'll see that the ratings on both these transformers that they can manufacture are listed from 500 to 5,000 kVA. Magnetron actually can go larger with substation transformers. I believe they go up to about 10 MVA on substation transformers. And then here you see some more transformer types. So on the left there, you'll see a 750 kVA submersible network transformer. And that's actually, HiReli is currently working on a pretty large project to get these type of transformers installed in New York at a major electrical utility. So that's a pretty big project for us. And Magnetron has a lot of experience with those network transformers. Also pictured on the right, we have some phase shift transformers and also step-up transformers. So a variety of applications for various transformer types that can fit your needs. And then here for those transformers that we just showed, we have some standard features that Magnetron can customize for their customers. So the whole point that I want to drive here is that we can be flexible with designs and alter those designs to meet specific needs. So these transformers can come with standard aluminum windings on the interior, which of course will be less expensive than copper, but the transformer footprint will also usually be larger in that case. So you have options to upgrade to copper windings, also other options such as different type of oil. They supply mineral oil as a standard insulator, but you can also upgrade that to vegetable oil if you want. And of course, the tanks can be swapped out from mild steel to stainless steel if you're looking for a more robust design. So there's a lot of customizability there on relatively simple transformers. So moving along on this slide, we have some dry type transformers. On the left is a cast resin transformer, and then on the right is what you'd call an open winding transformer, where there's it's pretty much visible to the outside. And so with these dry type transformers, as I mentioned, these are great for areas where you want a minimal environmental impact, and you don't want to worry about oil insulation. It's basically a solid state device that is doesn't have moving parts and doesn't really require some of the extra safety features that some oil transformers require. And usually all these advantages are tied to a higher price than a standard oil transformer. But Magnetron has experience and expertise in manufacturing all sorts of transformers. And with that, we have the features for the dry type transformers. And so this is basically the same as the other features and options slide. Similar components that can be swapped around. So you'll have aluminum windings, which you can swap out for copper. And then you can go between which type of dry type transformer you want, whether it's a cast resin type or open windings. And also, of course, the enclosure, again, you can choose between milder stainless steel tanks. So we have those options there if you're looking for them. And then, so on this slide, we have a custom transformer skid that Magnetron has manufactured. This specific skid style can be fully assembled and tested and then delivered by Magnetron as what's essentially a site-ready package by Magnetron. And so below you can see the dimensions on the skids available. So they're up to 2.5 meters in height and then up to about 7 meters in length. And you can throw multiple transformers into that skid depending on what sort of layout you're looking for. So it's a really cool sort of modular design where you can get everything delivered in one location and one setup that meets the needs you're looking for.